Spatchcock Funk Season 2, Take 1.
Spatchcock Funk is back. We're reloaded and rebuilt and ready to rock. Time to get grilling, baby, because we grillin' and chillin'.
Well, one bee spends its entire life making a teaspoon of honey.
Our lamb, a 3-ounce serving, gives you all the B12 you need for the day.
The main thing for you watching you, again, pretty athletic, obviously baseball.
Let's just stop there.
We've got killer cocktails that are gonna blow your mind. Food to change your life. And parties and destinations that you're not gonna believe.
So, y'all remember your first time?
Oh, do I? It was in Italy.
The river knows it owned me that day.
Comes over, kisses me on the forehead and says, "You're welcome."
Spatchcock Nation, are you ready?